Should we go see if we can't give him a hand? I don't know how good you can tell the deepness of this, but it's a good 456 up the leg. Oh goodness! I thought we dealt with this the other day, didn't we? Didn't that just happen? Oh no! Starter freezes in my plow truck. Oh no. Starts really easy too. Beauty. Got a hop choplets inside, but I was just doing the front for now. Oh, fuck yeah. Fuck yes. Would no good. Oh boys, got the air compressor going. We're gonna do some soon boost, and I was gonna do that instead of this, but you know how it goes. This is why I need a big tractor that works, because this just isn't, you know, really all that ideal. We're running into less than ideal circumstance on a regular basis with this thing. So yeah. Buddy still got that tractor for sale too. Like 5 days later, he texted me, and I should show you that actually. I says to him, I says, that day, Friday, I says to him, are you willing to fix the friggin' seals? He says, got a guy coming tomorrow and another guy this and that, friggin', if they don't buy, maybe I'll fix them. Eh? Goof! But anyways, yeah, now I got a hole. Oh man, we didn't even scratch the surface. We got the front done, a little bit of this done, but I mean, didn't even scratch the surface, and we've already busted off the plow. So yeah, I got my work cut out for me today, I do. Unbelievable. Oh, we got a predicament, boys. As usual, hey, as per plan in Inwood. But yeah, this has got to be karma for all the good shit that I do for everybody. Oh, you're stuck on the side of the words in the freaking cesspool because freaking the township doesn't freaking send the plow trucks out till she's already 3 feet. Yeah, well, thanks. Expect a busted plow tomorrow. Eh? That's great. That's great. Don't even know these friggin' people. Could be fire dicks for all I know. Just push them out. There you go. Have a good one. 3 dicks. 3 dicks I pushed out of the corner yesterday. Now this is what I got to deal with. I hand bomb all this into just an absolute mountain. So, but I don't want to shut it off. We're almost out of fuel because, you know, the frozen starter, right? Until I can get it over here. I mean, I'll shut it off and then I can just plug in the heater, the paint stripping gun, whatever, heat gun there, and friggin' warm up the starter and get it started. But yeah, that's a pain in the, I mean, that is sticked. It really, really is. But yeah, so I'm gonna hand bomb the rest of this. I already hand bombed all that over there, all out of the way. So I'm gonna hand bomb the rest of this out, and then we'll pull the plow over here and see what the duck. But I'm having the hypothermic type temperature situation going down, so I'll see if the old lady will make me a hot chocolates and different things. Did I show you that? So we dumped that off in the bin, so we're going to try to see if we can't get that working. And yeah, I brought a fucking the Ford beside the plow truck had a good battery into it, but from sitting and it passed on. Right, the battery passed on, and then it got to the frozen temperatures, froze big time, and we brought it in just to be like, hey, you know, let's see if it'll take a charge. And then it was the roundest I'd ever seen a battery. Left it here to thaw out, and it left Smutsville. It was just sitting right there, but it crept all the way down there, all the way all the way back into yonder. So, yeah. That's less than ideal. If you got a frozen battery, don't bring it in the house to thaw out. A little tip from Pug 1 there. But, yeah, I got the air compressor going because I was going to do some soon bluesting, but now I've got other shit to do. So that's how that works. But anyways, I gotta blow my nose, have a cigarette. I'll lean inwood, boys. And also, I'm not sure what the deal is, but hardly getting 100 thumbs down in the videos anymore, boys. It's like the goofs are fucking going soft on us. Hey, the fucking goofs are going soft on us, boys. Freak pieces of shit, but man, I hate winter. Oh, I don't know if I told you guys that before or not, but yeah, there's just something about just piles and piles and piles of fucking heavy white shit that's freezing cold out in my yard that just, I quit that kind. I really, really did, but and check this thing out too. This is like my new favoriteest thing ever. Like you can see like the cold coming in relentless, but there's different settings. There it goes. Hey, you can just see the yellows creeping out. Hey, isn't that fucking awesome? So you see all your like heat loss and your different things, where all the different stovepipe is, and you can change the polarity too. You can make it almost not, and then a little more. But yeah, you can see over by that door over there, large amount of the friggin' cold air infiltration. Some terrible. So that's less than ideal, but yeah. Yeah, you can really dance it, eh? Friggin' decent, friggin' peony. Man, is that ever decent. There's a little spot over here too. I don't know if it'll show up, but I mean, you can see all around this door, friggin' the heat loss in inwood, boys. Fuck, I wasn't even looking. Hey, I wasn't even showing you. But yeah, links to the prescription. Of course, that's got four pixels, right? This is like the $200 one, not the $2,000 one. So I mean, it's not going to be perfect, but looking at the engine or whatever, oh, something's dicked. You can see which cylinder isn't friggin' firing or whatever. You know what I mean? Or all type of different applications for this. But yeah, Bangor.com. Friggin' check it out. Links in the prescription, and then we cheeched. So many glorious wonder words. I'll go no go. Seen a big puddle under the truck. I thought, oh shit, but it's just all of the melt in the snow. Oh, that's great. I broke my only good plow. Ran into the friggin' thing and chipped the shit out of it. It doesn't have much life left into it now. Oh yeah. Moving snow long distances, very good times. I got a little bit of the package. Holy shit, look at him go. Playing friggin' trapped terrible. Oh, decent. Right to the friggin' wood. What a kind. Decent. Friggin' rights. Clear this out, move the plow, see what the fuck's wrong with it, get buddy to give me a hand. Oh, we got a plan, boys. We got a fucking plan. Should have just waited for him, fucking wasted all type of times, could have been working on the 83. Eh? Is it half inch?
I think so. Looks like it.
Okay. see if that works. Oh yeah, that's better.
After it all figured out, it was a $507 bill, and they corrected enough of their own bullshit to, our bill was actually $157 that we owed.
Funny that.
So now I paid that and we're at 0 and it will be 110.
We'll see when we get the next bill.
Yeah.
Fuck, unbelievable.
Started off giving us the credits on our bill and then they just quit.
Yeah.
You want money and shut off her phone, and he gave us the money back for the reactivation fee of $130 and fucking this and that, and he's like, yeah, you shouldn't have had to have paid that.
So you finally talked to somebody who's fucking normal person.
Yeah.
Not from a far off land of the not speak English variety.
He's like, it could have, this could have been fixed. This is easy fixes. He's like, I just went back through and looked at all the mistakes everybody made.
Fuck.
He's getting done.
Very done. Thank fuck. Paid just absolutely fucking hundreds and hundreds of dollars for shit that doesn't even know. Holy shit. There we go.
That's the stuff.
Okay, so see this guy right back here. We got to get that pin into that hole, and then I can set this one on the other side. Oh, we still got all the parts too. Fucking right. Here, I got to get a screwdriver or something.
Yeah, I got to clean it out.
Got my $30 ice chip Klein. Yeah, I was afraid I lost all my bits and I'd have to make all new ones, but
There we go. Dropped into place there.
fucking decent.
Reasonably.
Fuck yeah, man.
Fuck out of it.
Decent. Oh, that shouldn't be too bad. Get the welder out, give her a couple zippy zappies, and yeah. Well, I can't wait because it's bothering me. The picture on the package is showing like some sort of a foreign object of the Ford variety, and I don't know. When you think of telomeres, you don't think of a fucking Ford, that's for sure. Do you, boys? Oh, it does have the support bracket. Decent. All about the fastener. It's got the heavy duty aluminum insert. Man, freaking deal. Something's not going to work though. Something's not going to be right, eh? Oh, yeah, look at that. It's got some sort of a pocket in there too. I can't even sort this. It's got like a pocket under the inside for something. I wonder what that's for. Yeah, friggin' right. Can't wait to get those on. Anyways, we'll get back out here, finish the plowing, and then we'll wait for the more snows to fall, and then we'll do some more plowing. It'll be awesome. Boys, been a minute. Good stuff! I make movies about this guy, and then he gets, dicks like recognize him and stuff because of the movies that I make about him and shit. Just a fucking idiot. Eh? Go and absolutely fuck yourself, you piece of shit. Have a nice day. Oh, well, I fucking totally hate winter. Winter can lick my sweaty balls. My sweaty balls, my sweaty balls, my sweaty balls, my sweaty balls. Fucking winter can suck me where I shit from. I fucking quit that kind, cause it fucking bullshit. What the fucking shit. What the fucking shit? What the fucking shit? What the fucking shit? What the fucking shit? We should take the doors off the Red Dragoon so as we can bring them inside, so as we can put the mirrors on. So we don't have to put the mirrors on in the cold. We'll take the doors off and bring them inside. Hey boys, I'm a real boy. That's using your noggin. That's fucking great, eh? 80% of the capacity? 80% of the fucking capacity. But anyways, what time is it? Let's check into the time factor. Oh, it's fucking 3:48. Won't be long before it's how much or something. But just about a cigarette and hot chocolate time, I think. Sounds good. Well, in other words, I was going to be out here friggin' dicking around, but my back's friggin' killing me from lugging a whole bunch of snows around. So I quit. But tomorrow's another Dirds, of course. We'll friggin', sure we'll find something to do. Looks like we're in for the long haul now, boys. We're already running out of room for the snows, so I'm going to have to get a tractor. I don't know. I don't know any other way to get around it. I mean, unless we can get that friggin' front end loader friggin' going, but I mean, I don't want to get my friggin' all my cigarettes in a friggin' kerfluffle. Eh? Sooner or later, we got to find out something that we can use to move snow that doesn't just bust. Hey, that's just the way that it's got to be. But especially if it's going to keep snowing. Hey, if we got that big tractor, it wouldn't have snowed. Eh? That's for sure. But any words, boys? Let me know what you think. Fucking goof winner. Fuck yourself. What happened? But a couple of bitches were in week. But there you go. Another dick by one dog. Until tomorrow.
Don't let the watchers get you.